Arto Alajian was born in Egypt as the son of an Armenian survivor. He grew up in and around his father's shoe factory before immigrating to the US. In 1966, Arto began making and selling thin brick veneers. Arto Brick was born. Today, Arto's sons Armen and Vod run the company. Arto employs 80 souls who meticulously handcraft bricks and tiles. We strive to minimize our carbon footprint by using locally sourced and recycled raw materials. Our collections include high-fire clay and ceramic tiles of all shapes, sizes, and colors, as well as concrete, bricks, pavers, and tiles. All of our offerings are suitable for indoors and outdoors, walls and floors, and are extremely durable under any conditions. We use traditional techniques, including hand-painting decorative tiles. Each piece is made with love, right here in Los Angeles. On behalf of the entire Arto family and team, we invite you to explore our website and bring your project to life.